obtain a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's start with AB. See, still now we learned only for end with AB. Either it is not end with ABB. See, these are the things we learned. Now we can go for start with. See here, obtained a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's start with AB. One second. See, according to that pattern recognizing DFA, the first one is the minimum string. We need to find the minimum string. What is the minimum string of this? Anyone? What is the minimum string? See, here minimum string is AB. See, AB is the minimum string. Then we take it, minimum string is AB. Then sigma, the step 2 is sigma, alphabets. See, the strings of A's and B's. See, strings of, the string have only number of A's and number of B's. See, that's why we take it the strings of A's and B's. The sigma is equal to A comma B. See, that is only A comma B. The strings of A's and B's, here input symbols are only A and B. Then we go for step 3, skeleton of DFA. See, skeleton of DFA means according to the minimum string, we consider Q0 is the starting state. We can go for Q0 of A is Q1, Q1 of B is Q2. But here all the strings start with AB. See, all the strings start with AB, either AB only. See, it will be AB, either start with AB. See, here we taken Q0 of A. See, according to that minimum string, we take it our starting state is Q0. Mission will start in Q0. It will reads A. It will go to the Q1. Q1 reads B. It will go to the Q2. Next. See, then we can go for undefined state. Here only very important. Up to that, it is a common for all the problems. What we are studied in the previous, same only. But once we can go for the undefined states, when we can go for the undefined states, see, that time only it is very important. See, what are the undefined states here? The Q0 of B. See, transition of Q0 of B is we don't know where we need to show. See, that is like Q0 of A is Q1, Q0 of B is question mark, Q1 of A also we don't know, Q1 of B is Q2, then Q2 of 0, Q2 of A and Q2 of B also we don't know that one. See, that is only the undefined states. Then we'll go for the first one, Q0 of B. See, Q0 of B means, see, you need to show that Q0 of B is Q3, because if you give the any transition, see, if you take in the any transition, the Q0 of B is equal to Q3. Q3 is a dead state, as the string has to be begin with AB. See, we can start with AB only, either end with anything. See, if you given Q0 of B is any of this, either Q0 of B is Q0, either it will be, say, once we can give to the Q0 of B is Q0, see, that will be number of B's will be followed by the beginning it will come. See, that's why avoiding that one, we can give that one Q0 of B is Q3. The Q3 is called a dead state, as a string has to begin with AB only. Then come to that Q1 of A is. Then Q1 of A is also we can give to that Q1 of A is Q3 only. Then string has begin with AB. That's why we can give to the Q3. See, then once we can give to the Q3, the starting string has begin with AB only. The string has begin with AB. See, that is only the that's why we can give to the Q1 of A is equal to Q3. Then Q2 of A is Q2 only, because the string can have any number of A's as a substring. See, we can go for any number of A's with a substring. We can take it that one, Q2 of A is equal to Q2 only. Then transition of Q2 of B also Q2 only, because after start with AB, end with any number of A's and either any number of B's. That's why we can take it that Q2 string can have any number of B's as a substring. See, that's why we can take it transition of B is equal to B2. q2, then q2 of a is equal, q2 of b is equal to q2 only. The string can have any number of a's. Then once again we can take it the dead state also. See, in we assuming the dead state q3, the q3 of a is equal to q3 because it is the dead state. If we give anything also, it will be same also, it will nothing will be changed in that mission. See, that is only, that's why q3 of a is equal to q3 only. Q3 is a dead state. Then q3 of b is also q3 only. See, once q3 of b also q3, then once again it will be dead state only. The q3 is a dead state. See, then these are the undefined state, because see, if we are giving the q0 of b, why we are taking the dead state means, once we take it the dead state also, mission will go to the dead state, then it is not accepting. It is not accepting. See, that's why once we are considering one dead state. Say dead state, already I told that one. What is the dead state means? If any state they are taking a sigma, they're taking a sigma, it will go to the same state only. The sigma means input symbols. What are the input symbols? A and B also. See, that is a state for which there existing the transitions to itself for all the input symbols chosen from the sigma is called a trap state. Then trap state can have non-final state or final state. See, non-final states is called a dead state. See, dead state means non-final, trap state is called a dead state. See, if we are taking the sigma, see, that is only q3 of a is equal to q3 because it is a dead state. Q3 of b also q3, it is a dead state. Then we can go for the do the transitions. What are the transitions we did? Then we can go for constructing the DFA. Q0 of a is q1, q1 of b is q2. It will be similar to the what we design the skeleton. Then come to that q0 of b. The q0 of b is we taken the one state. See, that is called a trap state. See, that is only the q3. The q0 of b is q3. Then once again q1 of a also q3 only, because that also trap state. Why we are taking the trap state means, because string start with ab, not end with ab. String start with ab. Say beginning, it is always compulsory. If you have ab, then any number of a's and any number of b's also. See, then we can go for q2 of a is q2 only. The q2 of b also q2 only. See, that time, say mission any number, say ab, after that a also it will be in the final state. B also it will be final state. B also it will be in the final state. See, that is only the string, it will be repeating number of any variables also, it will be in the q2 state only. That time string start with ab, end with any number of a's, either any number of b's, either 1a 1b, anything also it will be accepted, because we are given the loop here. See, q2 of a comma b will be looping. See, same, it will be repeating after continuing the ab. Then in between of b and q, it is not, we can take at the dead state. If we start with b, it will reach to the dead state. So that time mission is not accepted the any starting with b. Then a, so if you have two a's after that b, it is not start with ab, then once again mission is not accepting, it will go to the dead state. Then once again in the dead state transitions, for example, any number of a's, any number of b's, q3 of a comma b also it will be q3 only, because string will read all the characters. Final character itself, mission is not there in the final state. See, that time mission is not accepting. See, that's why we can give on the loop here a comma b. If any number of a's start with b, first start with b, after that number of a's and number of b's also it will be in the q3 state only. See, that time mission is not accepting to the this DFA. Only when the string start with AB, then after that any number of A's and B's. That's why we can give one Q2 of A comma B is looping. Once we can give one year loop, so automatically it will accepting number of A's and number of B's beginning with AB. See, that is only, I think now you are clear, it is a trap state. Then come to the defining the DFA. So how you can define that? See, DFA is designed as a 5 tuples, Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F. Q is a non-empty finite set of states. What are the states here? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are states. Then sigma is A comma B. See, sigma is A comma B. There are two input symbols, A and B. Then Q naught is starting state is Q0. The final state is Q2. Then transitions. Transition means Q0 of A. See, we can rather transition table. The Q0 of A is Q1, Q0 of B is Q2. See here, Q2 is the final state, not Q0. Then see, that is only. Then Q0 of A is Q1, Q0 of B is Q3, Q1 of A is Q3, Q1 of B also Q2, Q2 of A is Q2, Q2 of B is Q2, Q3 of A is Q3, Q3 of B is Q3. See if you have any doubt in this problem, because still now we learned only for end with AB, either not end with AB. Now it is start with AB. See, these are the different methods. We are using the different strings. See, sometimes start with AB, then sometimes end with AB. The number of strings end with AB, only that type of strings will be accepted what we need to design the mission. See, now this mission is accepting only start with AB. Either if you are start with any B, or either B AB means it is not accepting. AA B means it is not accepting. Only start with AB, and any number of A's and any number of B's also mission will be accepted. See, that is only the this mission. Just you can try it, taken 2 or 3 examples, you can trace it, then only you are able to get that one. See, that is only. If you have any doubt with this problem, friends, if you have any doubt, no doubt means we'll go to the next problem. See, next problem is 16th one. See, obtained a DFA to accept the strings of zeros and ones. Obtained a DFA to accept the strings of zeros and ones. Start with at least 2 zeros and end with at least 2 ones. See, that is only. But here, obtained a DFA to accept the strings of zeros and ones means here the string consists number of zeros and number of ones. Means it will be zeros and ones only. But start with at least 2 zeros. Here start with 2 zeros and end with at least 2 ones. Means at least 2 ones means here what is the minimum string? Minimum string is 0011, because start with 2 zeros, end with 2 ones. The question like this. See, that is only the obtained a DFA to accept the strings of zeros and ones. Start with at least 2 zeros and end with at least 2 ones. Now we considering what is the minimum, because start with 2 zeros and end with 2 ones. In between it is epsilon also, it is empty also. We can take it that is a minimum string is 0011. Say, because why we take it 0011 is a minimum string? Because of it will be start with 2 zeros, end with 2 ones. Because of that reason, we can take it that minimum string is 0011. Then according to the minimum string, then step 2, we can go for input sigma. Sigma is what are the string consist? String consists only zeros and ones. See, string consists zeros and ones, because it will be number of zeros and number of, it is a combination of zeros and ones. That is only the priming of string. See, that's why we take it sigma is equal to 0, 1. So sigma is equal to 0, 1. Then we can go to the skeleton of DFA. Then what is a skeleton? We can go for the transition. See, first we are considering one more thing. It is we only designing according to the problem. We are designing the mission structure. Mission somewhere we need to start. See, that's why I will take it Q0 is a starting state. Q0 is a starting state. Then Q0 reads first character of minimum string, that is 0. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. Q1 second character of string, minimum string. Q1 reads 0, it will go to the Q2. Then Q2 reads 1, see, third character of the string, it will go to the Q3. The Q3 reads 1, it will go to the Q4. See, now I will take it Q4 is the final state, because minimum string is 0011. After 0011, mission will be reached to the final state. See, that's why we can go given, see, Q0 of, see, Q00 0011. See, 0011 is the minimum string. Then come to that undefined transitions. See here, undefined transitions are, so what are the undefined transition? Q0 of 1. See, it is not defined. Then Q1 of 1 also it is not defined. Q2 of 0 is not defined. Q3 of 0 also not defined. Q4 of 0, 1 is not defined. See, what are these undefined states? See, for example, each and every state, what are the alphabets is there? Sigma. Sigma is 0, comma, possibilities. The possibilities of only two input symbols. That's why when we design the mission, we need to show the possibilities of the input symbols. See, Q0 of 0, it will go to the Q1. Q0 of 1, we are not declared. Sometimes it will start with 1 1. See, that time we need to show that one. See, that type of strings also we considering. See, we need to consider. See, that time, see, that is only undefined state. Mission is not defined. See, in the skeleton itself we are not defined, then we need to show that one. See how the mechanism it will be moving the state. For example, mission is in the Q0 state, it will reads 1. See, you can think it where it will go. See, for example, Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 is there. You only tell that. See, for example, the here the condition is in the question itself, the condition is string start with at least two zeros. For example, string start with two zeros. Q0 of 1, mission is in the starting state. The one will come means the string is not accepted. The what we design the DFA, that is not accepted. That's why Q0 of 1 we need to show. Where we need to show that one? Q0 of 1. Tell me anyone. Q0 of 1. Anyone? Anyone where it is going for Q0 of 1?
Dead state, sir.
Dead state. Really good. You told Akshaya. See, that is only because here condition is string start with 0 0. If you give the 1, the string start with 1. See, string start with 1 means that time what we need design the DFA, that is not accepting that. That's why we considering one more state, that is a dead state. See, that's why we give one Q0 of 1 is Q5. Either see after 4 we take it anyone. See, I will take continuously, that is a Q5 state. See, that is only the dead state. I will consider Q5 is the dead state. I will show that Q0 of 1 is, it will go to the dead state. See, then Q1 of 1. See, Q1 of 1 also. See, that is also same condition, because here also string start with 0 0, begin with string has begin with 0 0, beginning with 0 1 is not accepted, because sometimes if you are giving the Q1 of 1 is Q1, see that time it is begin with Q1. See, that type of strings are not accepting. See, that's why I once again I will give the Q1 of 1, I will show to that dead state only. See, that is only Q1 of 1 is Q5. Clear? Q0 of 1 is Q5 dead state. Q1 of 1 also it will be dead state. See, that is only Q0 of 1 is Q3, not Q3, that is Q5. Q0 of 1 is Q5. The string has not begun with 0 0. The begin with is string start with 1 leads to the dead state. Then once again Q1 of 1 also Q5, string has to begin with 0 0. The beginning with 0 1 is not accepted. So then come to that Q2 of 0. Q2 of 0 is Q2 only, because string start with many zeros. Start with two zeros. In between any number of zeros also, substring any number of zeros also, it will be accepted. That's why string can have any number of zeros as a substring. See, that's why Q0 of 0 is Q2. String can have any number of substrings. See, that is only. Now, string Q3 of 0. Q3 of 0 is, then once again Q3 of 0 is Q2 only. Q3 of 0 is Q2, because string have end with 1 1, but any number of zeros also. See, that's why I given to that Q3 of 0 is Q2 only. After two zeros, then it will come to any number of zeros also. Mission will be accepted, but end with 1 1. See, that's why the string has end with 1 1. See, because of that reason, I given Q3 of 0 is equal to Q2. Then once again, the Q4 of 0. Then once again, Q4 of 0 also same condition, because string end with 1 1. Because of that reason, see, machine is in the Q4 state. If you have one more 0, then once again it will come to the Q2. Then it will be end with 1 1. See, after the 0 also, you have 1 1 end with 1 1. See, because of that reason, Q4 of 0 will be Q5. 2. Then string have any number of zeros as a substring as end with 1 1. Then Q4 of, but at least two ones will be there in the end. See, already two ones is there. If we have one more one also, it will be accepted. See, that is only the Q4 of 1 is Q4 end with many number of many more than two ones also it will be allowed. See, that is only the this DFA. Q0 of 1 is Q3. We considering sorry Q0 of 1 is Q5. See, that is Q5. String has begin with 0 0, but begin with string with one leading to the dead state. See, that's why we can give it to the dead state. Then we can considering the dead state transitions also. The Q5 of 0 is Q5. Because of why we can give an Q5 of 0 is Q5, because any dead state it will take sigma, any input symbols 0 comma 1, it goes itself only. See, that is only the condition of dead state. See, that's why Q5 of 0 is Q5 only. The Q5 is the dead state. Then once again, transition of Q5 of 1 is Q5 only. See, the Q5 is the dead state. See, this is the transitions. See, I think there is now you can understood that one. See, why we can give on Q0 of 1 is Q5 means because string start with 0 0 only, not any other ones. That's why we can give it to the dead state. String start with 1 means, see, that time mission is not accepting that one. That's why I will show that one into the dead state. Then Q1 of 1 also in between 1 is not coming because it's not start with 0 1. See, that's why it will be always 0 0. That's why Q1 of 1 also we can give to the show connected to the dead state. Then Q2 of 0 is after 0 0, they start with 0 0. After that it will come to any number of zeros also, it will be accepted. See, we can give one to the Q2. Then Q3 of 0 also Q2, Q4 of 0 also same condition. Then once again Q4 of 1 is 4, Q4 end with more than two ones also it will be allowed. Then Q5 of 0 is dead state. Then Q1 of 5 also dead state. Then how you can constructed this one. See, what are the transitions here we mentioned, same only we need to construct the DFA. See, Q0, first we can write it the skeleton. Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 1 is Q3, Q3 of 1 is Q4, then Q4 is the final state. Then Q0 of 0 is Q5, that is the dead state. The Q0 of 1 is Q5, Q1 of 1 also Q5, Q1 of 1 also Q5, then Q2 of 0 is Q2 only, then Q3 of 0 is Q2 only, Q4 of 0 also Q2, then Q4 of 0 1 is Q4 only, then Q5 of 0 1 is Q5 only. After that, we need to define the DFA. See, after drawing the diagram, we need to show that 5 transitions. See, that is only the DFA is consist 5 tuples Q, sigma, delta, Q naught, and F. Then Q is a finite set of non-empty finite set of states, because non-empty means it is a countable. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q4 according to the final construction. DFA, what are the states have? See, that only we need to write it. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5 are the states. Then sigma is input symbols. What are the input symbols? Here only 0 comma 1 are, it will come on what we taken in the beginning. Then the Q naught is starting state. It is always only one state, that is Q0 is the starting state. Then F is equal to final state. Here also what is a bolded circle is there. See, that state belongs to the Q4 final state, that is Q4 is the final state. Then we'll go for the transition table. See, transition table means we need to show that each and every state. See, Q0, we write it in the row, column wise is input symbols. The rows are states. Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5. Q4 is the final state. Q0 is the starting state. See, starting state we can show it in the arrow mark. Then star we put it into the final state. Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q0 of 1 is Q5, Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q1 of 1 is Q5. Then Q2 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 1 is Q3, Q3 of 0 is Q2, Q3 of 1 is Q4, Q4 of 0 is Q2, Q4 of 1 is Q4, Q5 of 0 is Q5, Q5 of 1 is Q5. I think now you are clear in this problem. Okay, then we'll go to the next one. We'll go to the next problem. See, that is 17th problem. If you have any doubt in this, okay, students, I will give 2 to 3 minutes time. Tell me the what is the minimum string, what is the alphabet, then how we can design the skeleton, what are the transition undefined states. Tell me that undefined states. Go to the 17th problem. 17th. Draw a DFA to the accept the strings of A's and B's having have a substring is AA. What is the minimum string of in this? Because see one more thing in this problem, it is a clearly mentioned that one substring is AA, but starting with any number of A's and any number of B's, starting with many number of B's, then ending with many number of B's, but in between substring is only AA. Either it is start with A also, either start with many number of B's also, but end with many number of B's also, either end with A also, it will be accepted. What we designed the mission. See, that is only draw a DFA to accept the strings of A's and B's having substring is AA. What is the minimum string? Anyone in this condition, in this problem, what is the minimum string? How we can find that minimum string? Anyone? Students, what is the minimum string?
AA, sir.
Hello, students. What is the minimum string?
AA.
Ashwa.
Yeah, sir.
Sure. Oh, minimum string is AA. Okay, minimum string is AA. Then what are the input symbols?
A and B.
Sir, A and B.
A and B are the input symbol. Okay, tell me anyone how we can define that minimum string? Skeleton of DFA. Keshav. Keshav, are you listening the class? Okay. Okay, see students. See, that is a minimum string is start with Q0 because see already you know that skeleton Q0. Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads A, it will go to the Q2. See, that is only the skeleton. Skeleton of DFA. Skeleton is always according to the minimum string. See here minimum string is AA, not AV, but see the typing mistake. See minimum string is AA. Then skeleton is Q0 reads A will go to the Q1. Q1 reads A, it will go to the Q2. I will give Q2 is the final state. Now, see now undefined states are, see it is once we know the skeleton, then it is easy to find that undefined state. See undefined states are Q0 of B, we don't know. Q1 of B also, we don't know. Q2 of A, then Q2 of B are undefined states. Then tell me, you only tell me that what Q transition of Q0 of B, it will goes where? Anyone? Q0 of B, transition of Q0 of B,
Q0,
Q0
sir.
of B, it will go to Q3.
Q0.
Saima Q0.
Q0, sir.
Akshaya Q0. Akshaya, why it will be Q0?
Sir, because it can
Okay, you
start
only tell
with
me the
any
reason
number
why
of
it will be
B's.
go to. Yes, see, but substring is AA. The string begin with any number of B's. That's why Q0 of B is Q0 only, right? Then Q1 of B is anyone. Q1 of B will produce which state? Transition of Q0 of B will produce which state? See, Q0 of B is Q0, it's right. Then Q1 of B is anyone.
Q0, sir.
Q0.
Q0.
Who told Q1? Saima? See, Q0 is right answer. because say since the string can have string should have a as a substring. See, that's why string start. See, that's why q1 of b is q0 only. String should have a as a substring. Then q2 of a,
Q2.
q2 of a,
Q2, sir.
q2 only. It is right, because after a, then once again we can give to the q2 of a is q2 only. That is right. Then q2 of b is
Q2.
q2 only. See, that is also right, because after substring it will be end with any number of a's and any number of b's also it will be accepted. But when we can go for extracting, it will come a. See, that is only, but it is not start with, it is not end with. In between you have a is a substring. See, that is only the that type of strings will be, once we inputted, mission you need to accept that type of strings. Then apart from that type, it is not accepting the mission. Then we can go for implementing the constructing the DFA. See, first you can take it the skeleton. Q0 is a starting state. Q0 reads A, it will go to the Q1. Q1 reads A, it will go to the Q2. Then Q0 of B is Q0 only. Q1 of B is also Q0. Then Q2 of B A is Q2 only. Q2 of B also Q2 only. Then we can go for defining the DFA. Define the DFA as DFA is defined as 5 tuples, that is Q sigma delta Q naught. Then Q is a finite set of states, Q0, Q1, Q2. Sigma is a input symbols, A comma B. Then Q naught is a starting state. Here Q naught is equal to Q naught only. Then F is equal to Q2. Q2 is the final state. Then transitions, we need to go for define the transition table. See, A and B, then Q0, Q1, Q2. Q0 is the starting state. Q1 is the Q2 is the final state. Q0 of A is Q1. Q0 of B is Q0. Q1 of A is Q2. Q1 of B is Q0. Q2 of A is Q2. Q2 of B is Q2 only. So one more thing, each and every problem you need to show end. You need to show the DFA. We need to define the DFA. If you are not defining 100%, you are losing the marks. See, once you are completing the problem, just we need to define the DFA. See, then the end, after end you need to define that one. So if you are not defining, it will be showing the error. See, means you are losing the marks. Either 1 or 2 marks you are losing. After constructing, you need to show that this one is very, very important. Then we'll go to the another problem. Construct a DFA that accepts the set of all strings with 3 consecutive zeros, where sigma is equal to 0, 1. See, that is only the here in the question itself they clearly mentioned that one. Construct a DFA to accept the set of all strings with 3 consecutive zeros, continuously 3 zeros, and where all the strings have sigma. They already given sigma is equal to 0, 1. 0, 1 means input symbols are it is a collection of zeros and ones. The string have collection of zeros and ones. But here minimum string is, say, question clearly there mentions set of all strings with 3 consecutive zeros. 3 consecutive means continuously 3 zeros. Then it is not start with 1 0, 0 1, 0 0 0. It is not. See, but previous example it will be 3 zeros also it will be accepted. But here 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 also it will be accepted for the substring. But here it will be it is clearly that one, all the strings with 3 consecutive zeros, but start with any number of ones, but 3 consecutive zeros, then it is any number of ones also it will be accepting. That type of strings only it will be accepted. What we need to see, according to this type, we need to draw the DFA. Here minimum string is, so what is the minimum string? See, they clearly given, that is 3 consecutive zeros, 0 0 0. Then what is the input symbol? Question itself they're given sigma is equal to 0, 1. Then according to the minimum string, we need to write a skeleton. We take one starting state. Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q1 of 0 is Q2. Q2 of 0 is Q3. Then Q3 of 0 is Q4. Q2 of 0 is Q3. Q3 is the final state. Now you need to tell that what are the undefined states. See, undefined states are Q0 of 1, Q1 of 1, Q2 of 1, Q3 of 0 and 1 are undefined states. We need the transition of Q0 of 1 produce what we don't know that. Then Q1 of 1 it will produce what will produce we don't know that one. Q2 of 1 also we don't know that. Q3 of 0 also we don't know. Q3 of 1. According to this condition, according to the problem condition, so how you can given the transition of Q0 of 1 will produce what? Transition of Q0 of 1 will produce anyone? Q0 only. Say right. Q0 of 1 will produce Q0 only because start with any number of ones. In between it will be 3 consecutive ones. Then Q1 of 1. Transition of Q1 of 1 will produce
Q0.
So
Q0 only. That is also right.
right.
Then transition of Q2 of 1 will produce
Q0 again.
Q0.
it will be Q0. Then transition of Q2 of 1 is equal to Q0 only should be have 3 consecutive zeros. Then Q3 of 0
Q3.
string can end with any number of zeros. So that is only Q3 is right. Then Q3 of 1 is Q3 of 1 will produce
Q3 itself, sir.
Q3 itself because string can have any number of ones at end with end. See, it will be any number of ones. Then according to these transitions, we need to go for defining the constructor DFA. See, first we can take it a minimum string Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. See, using this transition, you need to show that transitions. See, Q0 of reads 0, Q1 reads 0, it will Q2, Q2 reads 0, it will be Q3. Then Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then Q1 of 1 is Q0, Q2 of 1 is Q0, then Q3 of 0 is Q3 only, Q3 of 1 is Q3. After constructing, we need to define the DFA. See, that is very important. We can go for defining the DFA. DFA is designed as 5 tuples, Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F. Q is a non-empty finite set of states. That states are according to this final construction Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3 are states. Sigma is question itself already they're given 0, 1 is the input symbols. Then Q0 means starting state. In according to this problem, Q0 is the starting state. F is the final state. F is according to this problem, Q3 is the final state. Then we'll go for the transitions. The transitions are input symbols are 0, 1. Then states are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then Q0 reads 0, it will be Q1. Q0 reads 1, it will be Q0. Q1 reads 0, it will be Q2. Q1 reads 1, it will be Q0. Q2 reads 0, it will be Q3. Q2 reads 1, it will be Q0. Q2 reads 0, it will be Q3. Q2 reads 1, it will be Q3 only.